How to change ships in Sea of Conquest. Today we're diving into Sea of Conquest and I'm going to show you how to change ships in the game. If you're ready to upgrade your fleet or just want to try a different vessel, stick around because I've got you covered, so let's get started. First things first, you need to open Sea of Conquest and log into your account. Whether you're playing on PC or mobile, just make sure you're logged in to access your ships and your fleet. Once you're in the game, you'll want to head to your ship inventory. To do this, click on the Fleet tab or the icon that represents your ships. This will take you to the area where you can view all the ships you've unlocked or purchased. In your fleet section, you will see all your available ships. This can range from basic starter ships to the rare and powerful ones that you've unlocked over time. Look through your list of ships and select the one you want to change to. Once you've selected the ship you want, click on it to view more options and you'll have the options to equip or switch to the selected ship. Choose equip and your new ship will be added to your fleet. And that's it. You've now learned how to change ships in Sea of Conquest.